How to put a parrot to sleep. How to go to sleep? How to go to sleep? Nighty night. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. That's a boy. Nighty night. Nighty night. See you tomorrow, Laura. See you tomorrow. Ah, no baby. Come on. Come on. You gonna come out? You come out and see me? Oh, are you a little worried there? Are you a little worried there? Okay. Bye-bye. Gotta lock you in. I gotta lock you in now. Bye-bye. 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 You close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Nighty night. You sleep. Close it up. Close it up.